This video we're watching right here is just a perfect example of what you should be doing if you want to get a viral video. Now with TikTok, Vine, and all these 15-second videos popping up everywhere, the attention span of everyone has gone down a lot. So right now, if you want something viral, you have to make something very short, sweet, to the point. Alright, so it starts off slow. Music. Drop. There you go. Hits the bush. Right in front of the camera with the backfire. This guy does a 360. He does another crazy entry. Right in front of the camera with the fire. Perfect video. That's exactly what a viral video should look like. This is why this video went and exploded on my page. 75% weren't following. Goddamn. Alright guys, welcome to my page. Let's go into the stats, insights, here we go. Here's all of the top posts from this week, I believe. So that means last week I posted 31 more times. So before you go off and say my account's dead or whatever, I don't care. Yeah, I just didn't post this much this week. But anyways, let's get into it. So the first thing you see when looking at my account is the interactions. And if you hover over it, it basically says it's just the number of profile visits and website clicks you got to your account. So this is how many people actually went to your page. So 13,258 people went to my page this past week, which is about 40,000 a month. It's a little bit down from last week because I didn't post as much. And discovery is the amount of new people that weren't following you. This is basically all of the new followers that you're bringing in. This is the number you want to pay attention to. This is the number that you're trying to convert into followers. So this stat right here is saying that there's 1.369 million new people that found my page this week. That is a lot of people. As you can see as well, Tuesday through Thursday last week was a little low. I wasn't posting as much, but this week I started posting more on Friday. As you can see, it doubled in activity. So that's why some of my stats are a little low. So moving on to the audience page, you can see that I'm at 361,000 followers. I gained 2,100 followers this past week. And if you look at the charts, around 100 people unfollowing every day. That's pretty normal for an account like mine. So the more times that you post, the more that people are going to follow and unfollow. So Instagram's a little buggy on the demographics. As you can see, there's only 5% showing for the location, which is a little odd. It's been like this for a very long time, and I don't know why Instagram isn't fixing it. But if you move on to countries, it's a little bit better, but it's still very off. United States is at 36%. This total right here is at 49%, so I want to know where the other 51% of my followers are. That would help a lot when determining when to post. Now, if you look at the age range, most of them are male because it's cars. A lot of girls don't like cars, so that makes sense. And usually checking the time of the day, it's usually about the same every single day. It doesn't really change too much. It might move like a couple thousand, but for the most part, it always stays the same. And for the day, it's about dead even, so this analytic is completely useless. So let's actually move on to the fun part. Let's actually look at the real stats of some of my posts that went viral. This is what you guys came for. Alright, so we're going to filter it to the top comments because I just want to show you guys something really quick. We'll filter it to 2 years ago. So my most commented post is by Paul Walker. He's the guy from Fast and Furious. If you don't know who he is, get off my page. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, so guys, don't think you can try to outsmart Instagram because I'm obviously begging for comments right here. This is the most commented post I have on my page. There's 3,900 comments. Instagram isn't as dumb as you guys think. I was begging and basically farming for comments right here, and they got 3,900 comments. That's like 4 times more than all of my other posts, by far. So obviously with this post, I was just trying to beat the algorithm, and I'm pretty sure Instagram caught on to that because they took away the Explore Insight off of my page. As you can see, underneath impressions, it's from home, from hashtags, from profile, from other. And if you look at my second most commented post, you can see that there is the Explore Insight there. That means Instagram's onto me. Don't do this. Make sure you guys don't do that. This is another greasy way that I've gotten comments before. On the caption of your post, just comment something like, if any comment gets 0 likes, I'll follow them back. Something like that. Now, I don't want to spend too much time looking at the comments, but I will say that all of the top commented posts on my page, all of the captions are talking about comments. So this one, it's saying, don't scroll down without typing RIP, 3,900. This next one is asking for people to comment and get 0 likes, 2,500. This one is asking a question, guess the swap, is another greasy post. Any comment with 0 likes gets a follow back. It's impossible. So on this post, I'm asking for the same thing. Any comment with 0 likes gets a follow back. So this is the second post on my page that Instagram removed the Explore Insight from my page. So you definitely don't want to be asking for comments in a spammy way. So if we go back to this truck page, this is the right way to get comments. You want to ask a question. You want to engage with your viewers. You don't want to make them comment something just to comment. You want to ask them a question, ask for their opinion, ask for anything. ask for feedback. Really, all you have to do is set a call to action. That's all it takes for people to comment. All you have to do is ask a question, engage with the audience, and you're going to get more activity on your post. Guys, so if we switch it to follows, this is the exact same thing as comments. All you have to do is set a call to action. The post that got me the most followers, 3,300 followers, the caption is follow at Drifting District for more. If you look at my second most viewed video, the caption is follow Drifting District for more. All you have to do is set a call to action and people are going to act on that. Here's proof in the pudding, guys. This is proof that call to action works on a large scale. Even if you guys have just 1,000 followers or something, just know that it really does work. And every little bit to getting on the Explorer page does help. So for my page and every single page that I've grown out of all of my 10 accounts, I noticed that pictures usually get more likes, but videos are shared more. Videos are the ones that go viral. Now, if you have a lot of photos on your account that you want to post, another thing that's really helped me and I've noticed is that the slideshows get a ton of comments, a ton of feedback, because one of the analytics that Instagram uses to determine whether or not they're going to share it on the Explore page is how long they're on the post. If you have a slideshow with 10 high quality photos, chances are that your followers are going to be on there for a long time. And it makes sense, right? So I noticed in a car niche that there's a type of video that was going viral, and it's just basically a bunch of people calling out a super cool car. It's called a Supra. And I just made a compilation of that, and this is one of my most viewed videos. It's a slideshow. This photo slideshow has been sent 6,000 times. For having 1.2 million impressions, that's actually really low. Now, if you go to a video, for example, let's go to this one. Let's see how many times this was sent. 39,000 times. So that was about 6 to 7 times more than the slideshow. So looking at all these stats, you're definitely going to want to be posting more videos than pictures. Alright guys, make sure you check out my series of growing an account from scratch, 1,000 followers in 4 days. It's going to be in the top right hand corner. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you guys want to gain more followers on Instagram. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.